Using a shunt order. A shunt order will be delivered in a proposed state, represented by a grey border. To accept a proposed shunt order, press F1. A confirmation window will be provided. To confirm shunt order acceptance, press the tick, or press the cross to cancel the acceptance process. An hourglass is displayed while order acceptance is processed. The shunt order's border will turn yellow when processed. Shunting may now commence. To fulfill the shunt order, press F3. A confirmation window will be provided. You will notice a phone next to the Confirm button. This indicates fulfillment will initiate a call to a network controller. To confirm order fulfillment, press the tick, or press the cross to cancel the fulfillment process. The ICE will initiate a call to network control. Advise network control of the train's location and details. An hourglass is displayed while order fulfillment is processed. Once fulfilled, a blank order will be displayed. Press the cross to return to the ICE home screen. This completes the Using a Shunt Order Electronic Authorities module.